Hi there, want to snag a free House of CB discount code to save on their gorgeous dresses and outfits? I'll show you how. Go to easycoupon.co/CB or scan the QR code on the screen with your phone to visit the site. Start by entering your email address so the discount code can be sent straight to you. I'm entering mine now. It's super simple. Next, select your device, iOS or Android. Since I'm using Android, I'll choose that and click Continue. The system will generate your discount code. To ensure you're a real human and not a bot, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are totally safe, free, and published by developers with millions of users. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps may ask you to sign up or reach a specific level in a game, like level 9 or 10. This step is crucial to verify your identity and unlock your code. Let's skip ahead with some background music as I finish up. All done. I'm refreshing my email, and there it is, my House of CB discount code. I can't wait to shop their stunning collections at a discount. If this guide was helpful, be sure to subscribe for more. Happy shopping.